Did you know that an expert, and evidently a Tesla bull, believes that Tesla stock will go to the moon? Given Tesla's link to SpaceX, it can be taken both literally and figuratively. Make sure to stay tuned and keep watching to know more about this. Tesla bulls are exactly that, bulls. They remain positive despite numerous issues flittering around the leading EV company. Most investors, the bulls specifically, believe that Tesla has so much more potential in the coming years. Today, you will find out why Tesla stock will go to the moon, according to an expert. Tesla is one of the fastest growing car companies in the world and has the highest profitability, says Darren Young, a YouTube content creator and Tesla enthusiast. Young recently filmed a video at the SpaceX headquarters in Fulton, California, while talking about SpaceX and Tesla, both companies under the leadership of billionaire CEO Elon Musk. He said that the two companies share similarities in perceptions, being that both Tesla and SpaceX are seen as highly successful companies, which others believe are at the peak of their performance. He continued to say, however, that many people still underestimate how vast room for growth and innovation both companies have. In his video, Young first talked about SpaceX, given that he is filming at the company's headquarters. In the frame, a flight-proven Falcon 9 rocket can be seen. It is the world's first reusable rocket, making its first successful landing in December 2015. It was only after that it was displayed in the SpaceX headquarters. Since then, rockets from the Falcon 9 family have been launched 178 times, with 176 full mission successes, 1 partial failure, and 1 total loss of the spacecraft. The Falcon 9 has significantly revolutionized the space launch industry, reducing the cost of launches by up to 3 times cheaper compared to competitors. SpaceX has been steadily increasing its launch cadence each year, with 1 launch every 6 days. In 2023, the company aims to double that with 1 launch every 3 days. Like SpaceX, who have made a significant contribution to the aerospace industry, Tesla has revolutionized the automotive industry. It has changed public perceptions of electric vehicles and made them mainstream. In fact, the Tesla Model Y is among the top 5 best-selling vehicles of all types, not just EVs, in several countries. Young said that Tesla is one of the fastest-growing car companies in the world and has the highest profitability. More than that, they build the safest vehicles and have the highest customer satisfaction. He also mentioned that Tesla vehicles are also among the most American-made, with local production in Fremont factory and Austin, as well as local supply chains. SpaceX could ride on the success of the Falcon 9 for decades, and Tesla could do the same with all its current cars, says Young. And yet, both companies appear to have bigger dreams. SpaceX aims to increase launches from once every 3 days to 3 times each day. Tesla, beyond sustainable transportation, aims to do the same with energy. Tesla CEO Elon Musk believes that time is the ultimate currency and that there are no guarantees in life. When Musk invested in Tesla and founded SpaceX, he knew he only had a 10% chance of success, and both companies almost did not flourish. Still, he persevered to bring both companies to their current success because he believed that they were important to humanity. Tesla has rewarded long-term shareholders well over the past 10 years, and I believe that this story still has many more chapters to play out. In the short term, the stock market is a voting machine. Anything can happen to the stock price. In the long term, I believe the stock market is a weighing machine, says Young. He added that the stock price will reflect business fundamentals. Tesla is a company that is profoundly changing humanity. It can be noted that Tesla CEO Elon Musk has previously stated that Tesla is very important for the future of the world. It's very important for all life on Earth, says Musk in an interview, and Musk has repeatedly expressed his concerns for the environment. This supersedes political parties, race, creed, religion. It doesn't matter. If we do not solve the environment, we're all damned, Musk said. What are your thoughts on Tesla's future? Let us know in the comments section below. Experts believe that Tesla's long-term growth won't solely be coming from selling EVs. The company has established itself as a disruptor, and it could continue living up to that image in the years to come. There are several other potential growth avenues for Tesla. First, the company is focused on advancing its autopilot and full self-driving FSD features. To attract the best AI talent, Tesla hosted an AI Day event in August. Notably, attracting the best talent is key for Tesla to lead on the FSD front. Several automakers and technology companies are working to make autonomous driving a reality, and most have the financial resources to achieve that objective. Technological know-how could well separate the winner here. Tesla is also expanding its FSD beta testing to more drivers. That should help smooth the rollout of its FSD functionality. Second, continuous improvements in vehicle software and battery packs are required for Tesla to maintain its edge in EVs and FSD, and the company is focusing on these aspects too. Energy storage and solar deployments are other potential growth areas for Tesla. The company has been progressing well in both segments. Finally, Tesla is focusing on auto insurance as a growth opportunity. The company plans to do this differently than traditional insurance companies. Tesla plans to use its vast driver data for things such as braking, turning, unsafe following, forward collision warnings, and so on to predict the probability of a collision and offer custom premium rates based on that. Some believe that the secret of Tesla's success is not selling cars, but its ability to anticipate the future. More than that, its customers are the most loyal in the automotive sector, mostly due to its vehicles being not only impressive to drive, but also convey the feeling of living in the future. Imagine not having to anxiously check for gas or look for gas stations, being able to travel 600 kilometers barely without having to touch the controls. The future of the company is about greater production efficiencies, differential improvements to self-driving technology, moving into the world's largest automobile market, and a long-term orientation that some analysts are now beginning to understand. Overall, Tesla is a leading player in the EV sector. The company's competitive advantages emanate from its focus on environmental sustainability, its incorporation of technological innovations, product differentiation, and cost leadership, among other aspects. Unlike other automakers, Tesla took a unique approach to establishing itself in the market. Instead of trying to build a relatively affordable car that it could mass produce and market, it took the opposite approach, focusing instead on creating a compelling car that would create a demand for electric vehicles. Although Tesla has a low production capacity due to its business model, the leading EV company has more demand and less supply, while for other electric cars, supply is not a constraint, but demand can be. In fact, according to UBS analysts, Tesla will be the most profitable player in electric vehicles for years to come. The team of analysts, led by Patrick Hummel, project that Tesla and Volkswagen will easily be the two largest producers of EVs by 2025. But that Elon Musk's automaker will vastly outperform every other electric car company in terms of profits. They estimate that Tesla will sell 2.3 million EVs that year and turn an operating profit OP of $20 billion. Tesla's massive profitability advantage won't come from its cars, but rather from its software offerings, the analysts said. Tesla is the only automaker that can beam out meaningful software updates to its vehicles, and its autopilot driver assistance system, which can be continually improved via over-the-air updates, is among the best the industry has to offer. Moreover, an even more advanced automated driving feature, Full Self-Driving Mode (FSD), is now in the beta testing phase. We estimate that $9 billion of the $20 billion OP is directly related to the monetization of Tesla's software capabilities, mainly full self-driving. The analysts said, VW should be well ahead of all other legacy OEMs, thanks to scale, but with a much smaller upside from software versus Tesla. Although FSD isn't capable of making cars fully autonomous yet, Tesla bulls say it has the potential to dramatically boost the company's profits. For instance, Tesla could realize huge gains if it follows through on its promise to establish a network of autonomous taxis. Tesla is a company that is profoundly changing humanity, says Tesla enthusiast Darren Young. Tesla CEO Elon Musk himself said that Tesla is very important for the future of the world. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and watch our other videos for more Tesla stock content.